Hello students, today I am going to tell you about the basic use of the CRO. Here you can see this is an oscilloscope. The two important knobs over here, that is the time base and the Y amplifier. Here we can change the amplitude of the signal, and here we can change the time period as well as the frequency. Now here you will find there is an oscilloscope. In the oscilloscope we can get the sine waveform and the square waveform. So you can see over here, today I am going to show how to get the waveform. First thing, we have to connect the probe over here, and then we will be able to get this waveform. Now I am connecting over here on the sine wave. You can see over here sine output I am giving over here, and you can see it is connected to the frequency, that is around 100 hertz, and you can see here I am getting the waveform, and we can measure the voltage by waveform. We can measure this amplitude of the waveform by using this knob. What is the peak to peak voltage? Similarly, we can also measure the time period as well as the frequency, that is the time period of the waveform. When we measure the time period, then reciprocal of time period is going to be what? Frequency. So using this time base we can measure the time period of the waveform, and using this knob we can measure the peak to peak voltage. Similarly, now here I can connect over here, then which is going to generate a square waveform. So if I connect over here, I will be able to observe the square waveform. So here you can see I am getting a square waveform, and I can, using this times per base, I can measure the time period and the frequency of the square waveform. So I hope students you have understood the use of oscilloscope. Thank you everybody.